With the recent Facebook privacy scandal, people are asking, how do they protect their information on Facebook? Facebook has recently announced some new changes that they've made and enhancements to the platform that allow people to monitor what apps are receiving for information. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about this and give you some recommendations to how to clean up your privacy on Facebook. So from here, I'm on my Facebook homepage, and I'm going to click the arrow at the top, and I'm going to go down to the Settings tab. On the Settings tab, I'll go to Apps and Websites on the left-hand side. And from here, I can see how many apps have access to my Facebook page and my Facebook information. Now, how did they get this access? If you've downloaded an app and selected the option to use your Facebook login and password to initiate the app or initiate the download, that is how these apps are integrated now into your Facebook page. So every time you do that, that app will collect information from Facebook and will get the information that you have on Facebook. So you want to be careful. If you're not doing that or you don't want to do that, do not use your Facebook login to download apps. Now, from here, I'm looking through what apps are currently integrated with my page, and I am actually going to go to the Squarespace app because I don't actually use Squarespace myself, but my client uses Squarespace. So I'm going to go in here and click the Edit and View button. And one thing that I want to point out right away is if you have apps on here that you don't know how they got on here or you don't want them on here, you can report the app or if you feel that it's spam or they've gotten that information from you in a way that you did not give it, or you can remove the app. And if you remove the app, I would suggest that you contact the developer and ask them to get rid and remove any information they have on you. All right, now, if you're going to keep the app, but you just want to adjust what this app can see, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So right here, it shows the access that this app has and what type of information they're seeing about me. From here, I can see I can manage who actually sees this app on my page. And I have this selected as only me, but you can make this public if you want. You can share it with your friends, whatever you want to do. When you scroll down, you can see this app can do the following things. So I have manage pages selected, but the key part of this is Squarespace cannot manage all of my pages. They can only manage the page of the client that has a Squarespace website. So if you're managing multiple pages and you only want an app to have access to one of the pages, make sure you go in and edit this because it will automatically give the app access to everything unless you select otherwise. Then you can also say if you want to receive notifications from the app. And then down here, the things that you can do if you don't want the app anymore. Learn how the app is using your information. Remove information collected by the app. This is what I would encourage all of you to do if you think an app has been fraudulently added to your Facebook page, or it is an app that you no longer want to have your information, then follow the steps right here to remove that collected information from the app. All right, so again, you can remove your app right here, you can report your app right here, and you can adjust your settings on everything here. Now, if Facebook removes an app, or if you've removed an app, it will show the apps that you've removed right here. And Facebook will automatically remove any app that they feel is being reported as spammy or that they feel is not being considerate of your confidential information. So know that as well. All right, that's it for this week's Tuesday tip. If you have questions about Facebook privacy, you can reach out to us on the web at realmarketingsolutions.net. Connect with us for a 30-minute complimentary call, or we'll see you next week with more Tuesday tips.